All right, dusting the camera off. Everything seems it's recording. It still zooms. Cool. Looks like the camera's working. What's going on, everybody? Chaseontwowheels here, and we are back. And now in 2020. Is it echoey in here? Hello. It's a little echoey in here. So we've been off for like 3 weeks, and now, fam, we are back. We are rejuvenated, and we're ready to make some freaking videos. So, how's your 2020 going? I hope it's absolutely phenomenal because we're in a new decade and we got cool stuff to do. As you can tell, I probably seem slightly different from the last Chase who was talking to you in his garage who was all like, 2019 was not a good year. I didn't have fun. Which was true, but I had some fun in the last 3 weeks. What have you been up to? Let me know in the comments down below. But make sure to hit that like button first. So, over the 3 weeks, you're probably asking yourself, Chase, how do you go from not enjoying things and now you enjoy things? Turns out you just go to Disney World, which actually worked. So guys, over the 3 week period that I was not making videos, a couple of the things we did, as you can see behind us, we did a little renovation in the garage. If you guys remember that giant gear rack, simplified all that down. We can show you that in another video. It's not super important today. But one of the really cool things that my wife and I, Heather, you guys are probably, if you guys have been subbed to the channel, you know who Heather is, and if you don't, how dare you. Anyway, over the break, Heather and I have been training for a half marathon. We had signed up months and months and months ago, early 2019. Heather surprised me, I think for my birthday, and she was like, hey, in beginning of January 2020, we're doing a Disney half marathon. So we're in Georgia, Disney World is in Florida, so we drove down and jogged 13.1 miles, about killed ourselves.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
But we had a great time. We actually made it through. We did it at an okay pace. And now we're looking at like the next half marathon that we're gonna jog. So it's pretty interesting. Never thought that would come up. Now, side note, now that we're talking about Disney, I was gonna make an entire video about it, but I'm pretty sure you guys don't care that much about Disney World. Although I did have a fan who works in Magic Kingdom or Animal Kingdom or something. High five to you, dude, for sending the messages over. Sorry, we couldn't meet up. Anyway, one of the things, I don't know if you guys are into Star Wars, we're gonna just little side thing real quick. If you are into Star Wars, go to Disney World and go to Galaxy's Edge because bro, I swear to God, that is the closest us people are ever going to be to feeling like we are in Star Wars. Bro, you're standing here and you do like this, you look all the way around. You cannot tell you on Earth. I digress. Disney World Galaxy's Edge is absolutely phenomenal. That's actually, can you guys see my little, hold on, let me get it focused. You see my little droid shirt? They got a store that you can just build droids. Oh my God. We want to do a Star Wars half marathon. There's one in like 90 days, but I don't know if that might be too early for us. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you didn't click on this video because you wanted to know what I did during a 3 week break. Because I didn't say one thing that I did. I figured starting a new year might as well be on a new bike. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I went and got this motorcycle during the time we were off, and I wasn't going to tell you guys because we've got all these cool R3 videos coming out that are going to be coming out on Fridays for the next couple weeks, and I wanted to tease it, but dude, it's a new year. My whole thing for 2020 is I'm gonna have a fucking good time because this is my damn YouTube channel, and I should be able to do whatever the hell I want. And if I can do whatever the hell I want, then that means I need a steed to take me to those things that I want. Check out the new steed. Oh God, you can't see the steed. 20 2019 Yamaha MT-10. I did not plan to match the bike because this shirt was my droid shirt and I was gonna tell you about Star Wars stuff, and it turns out that I matched the bike. So hallelujah for coordinating. Dude, to tell you guys that I'm excited about the bike behind me would be the biggest understatement that I could ever come up with. And one of the things I said in my 2019 ending video is we're gonna do more moto vlogs in this year. And I figured if I got I have an MT-10 in my garage and I'm gonna sit here and talk to you guys on a camera. I love the quality, but I would much rather go ride this new motorcycle. So we gonna talk about all the cool stuff, or some of the cool stuff that I already have planned in 2020 on the motorcycle. So like, we're gonna go do this moto vlog on the MT-10 and like, whatever. But after that video, you guys have to pretend that we're back to having the R3. I promise it'll all make sense. I just don't want to sit in a garage when I can go ride that. Okay, I'm gonna get gear on and then we're gonna go ride. I'll see you guys on the bike. MT-10 mother.
All right. Got our updated tag from the boys over at Yamaha. Mucho apreciado, Yamaha people. Oh, it's glorious. Oh, I've got to remember this is going to be the first time you guys have seen me on this bike. All right. So, 2020. I did see an R1 over there. I wanted to go look at it real quick. 1 second, we're going to talk about the stuff that's coming up in 2020, but is that the M? Oh, that is the M. Check that thing out. Dude, glorious. Whew, that's a machine right there, boys. So the question is, Chase, what is going to happen in 2020 on the Chase on Two Wheels YouTube channel? So what's going to happen in 2020? Well, first, you guys are going to forget that I have the MT-10. We're going to go back in time, and I've got some really awesome videos of the R3. If you guys may be new to the channel or just don't remember, Yamaha let me borrow an R3 for a while, so we had some phenomenal videos on that. Can't wait to get those out to you guys. Also, this road is reminding me, so I was telling you guys, my wife and I went and did the half marathon at Disney World in Orlando, Florida. Dude, if any of you guys live around Orlando, Florida, go ride your motorcycle over to Disney, because I swear to God, there are so many curvy roads around there. I don't know how that isn't like a motorcycle haven. Look, I'm going to look it up on a map. I haven't done this, but I'm going to look it up on a map. I'm going to show you guys on the screen right now. Look at all the curvy roads. So like, Florida's known as an area that like has no curves and all the roads are straight. If I lived anywhere near Orlando, Florida, bruh, you can trust I would be riding the highways around Disney constantly, because I was in our Jeep and I was like, dude, all I can think about is getting to ride these things in a motorcycle. That would be the most nuts thing ever. We're supposed to get on the highway, but you know what? I want to ride around city streets for a minute while I finish my moto vlog. Feels weird saying doing a moto vlog. Oh, before we go, you guys can see that I have a Ruroc Atlas on. Maybe you can, hopefully you can, otherwise the GoPro's not going. But I've been wearing this Ruroc Atlas. That's neutral. I've been wearing this Ruroc Atlas for a while. Ever since Ruroc put them out, it's my go-to helmet. Something else happening in 2020, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram at C2WPics, Ruroc is putting out their Atlas 2.0 all freaking ready. We'll talk about it later, but the fact that this brand new company to the motorcycle helmet market is able to put out Atlas 1.0 and then like 6 months later put out Atlas 2.0 with all of the upgrades that everybody's been asking for, mind-blowing. I cannot wait to check that helmet out. I should have it in a week or so I can do an unboxing for you guys, but dude, I am hella stoked for that freaking helmet. Still a little mind-blown that they were actually able to pull out an upgraded version with literally everything in it everybody was asking for. It's absolutely insane. All right, what else? What other plans do we got for the coming year? It should go without saying. You guys should expect from us now. We got a lot of Wreck Bike Rebuild episodes coming out. We actually have one coming out tomorrow. If you guys don't know, Wreck Bike Rebuild's the show. We take wreck bikes, we turn them into dream bikes, and then we give them away. That's what we do. We actually get to give bikes away to all the people that support our show. It's a good time. And we got a CBR 500 we're about to give away. We're going to have a $40,000 Panigale we're going to be giving away in a month or so. We got some really cool stuff happening over on Wreck Bike Rebuild. I got a really awesome Patreon community that helps us run that, so you guys know we're going to be doing that. And one of the things that we tested out in the end of 2019 was doing first rides. You guys know I do first rides where I test motorcycles out, basically. So we tested it out to see how you guys liked it if I did all the first rides at one time of a certain type of bike. So we did a low CC sport bike. So, you know, the R3, the Ninja 400, and so on and so forth. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. But that actually did really well. You guys seem to be super amped about me being able to ride similar motorcycles and kind of compare and contrast them all. So, 2020, we're going to be doing that, but doing it hardcore. Like, I want to get a ton of first rides out. I'm not going to put a number because I don't want to try to hit a number and then fail. But we're going to be doing a ton of first rides. The only kind of weird part about those first rides is I'm going to test out doing them all at the same time. So I'm going to spend, 2-3 weeks filming all the first rides. And then I'm going to release every one of them day after day for like a week straight. I don't know how that's going to work out or not. It's going to kind of be like Netflix style. So it's just going to be boom, 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 boom video. But yeah, I don't know how that'll work out, but we'll kind of see and adjust how we go. Did I mention also that I have an MT10? Woohoo! I'm a little excited. If you can't tell, does that say railroad? Palisade? The hell is that? I'm still kind of in the honeymoon phase of the MT10, if you can't tell. I love the shit out of this motorcycle, and that brings us to what we also have. Look, that car's rotating. I obviously have ADD. That brings us to one of the other things to look forward to in 2020 is a ton of MT10 videos. This is my realistic dream bike. It is everything I want in a motorcycle. It is brand new. It is literally everything I could ask for. So you guys have plenty to look forward to with this being in the garage. I'm going to talk about it in another video, but having a bike that matches you and your riding style is entirely different than just owning a motorcycle. Oh, another thing, because I'm just coming up with things as I'm riding to talk about that we're going to do in 2020. We got a Segway dirt bike. It's like an e-dirt bike. It's some weird thing from Segway. If you guys watch the Wreck Bike Rebuild series, you probably have seen it in the background. We haven't talked about it at all. We're currently working on a location to take that to go get it filmed and do a little first ride situation on it. Supposedly, it's a beast of a little electric dirt bike, so that thing's cool. It was actually in the garage a minute ago. But yeah, I think I'm done talking now. I believe the day has finally come. We're behind a slow truck, slow truck, slow truck. We're behind a slow truck and we're on a real fast bike. Give me one opportunity, I swear to God, I will pass you with the vengeance of 1,000 suns. Or I'll just sit here. No, I won't. Oh, an R1 engine. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! All right, fun's over. Fun's over. Call the fun police. Because it's over, boys. You may be asking yourself, Chase, was that moment of irresponsibility worth only getting in front of one truck? And I will answer you with a yes. Will I do it again? Yes, most definitely. Do I regret it? Not at all. All right, guys, that's it. That's all we got to look forward to for 2020. I'm sure random stuff will come up, and there's a couple secret projects that I intentionally did not tell you about One, because they aren't locked in 100%, but if they happen, they will be incredible. 2020, we have a lot of cool stuff to look forward to. I am super excited. If you guys are new to the channel and this is your first video, then make sure to subscribe so you get to see all the fun videos that I will inevitably make in this coming year. Watch now as I wave at a motorcyclist. What up, motorcyclist? You waved back, you're a good person. So are you if you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Guys, I will see you on the next one. Chase on Two Wheels is out of here, out of here, out of here. And now I have to go ride this MT10 because it's my job as a motorcycle content creator here on YouTube. Can I thread that? Can I? Oh, it'd be tight. I'm in mode 3. Don't want to do it. Oh, but I could. If I wasn't on camera, I would do it. Oh, outro crew, pretend you didn't see that. Outro crew, you have to do something for me in the comments. You have to remind everybody that we cannot talk about the MT10. Pretend it's not even here. Remember, it's not. We haven't even got it on the channel yet. We got to do all the R3 stuff. All right, outro crew, you know if you made it to the end of the video, I love you a long time. And if this is your first time in the outro crew, what's up? How you doing? It's a good time, right? All right, I am excited. I'm going to go. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.